Assalamu alaikum students. Let us continue with the chemical bonding. Now next topic is octet rule. Octet rule. Now Kosil and Lewis explained the octet rule, or they gave the electronic theory of valence. Electronic theory of valence to explain the chemical bonding. They explain the electronic theory of valence to explain the chemical bonding between atoms. Now, what is it? This octet rule. What this octet rule explains? Now, this octet rule is mainly based on the stability of noble gases. Noble gases. That is, noble gases contains 8 electron in their outermost shell NS2, NS and NP, NS2 and NP6, NS2 NP6. It contains 8 electron in their outermost shell NS2 NP6. Okay, so this octet rule is mainly based on the stability of noble gases. Now, what this octet rule states? What is the statement of octet rule? During formation of chemical bond, an atom loses, gains, or shares electrons, so that its outermost orbit contains 8 electrons. During formation of chemical bond, atom loses, gains, or shares electrons, so that its outermost orbit contains 8 electrons. Now, this is the statement of octet rule. Now, after formation of chemical bond, each atom will have 8 electron in its valence shell. Means it will attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Each atom will attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Each atom will attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Means that atom will become stable. Now, why to study octet rule? What is the use of octet rule? Octet rule is used in explaining the normal valence of element. Is useful in explaining the normal valence of element. Second, it is also useful in study of chemical combination of atoms. Study of chemical combination of atoms. To form a molecule. Atom leading to the formation of molecule. Formation of molecule. So there are two uses of octet rule. First one, to study the normal valence of element, or to explain the normal valence of element, means how the electrons are distributed in the atoms. The electronic configuration, we can say normal valence of element. Second, study of chemical combination of atom leading to the formation of molecule. Now, how the different atoms are combined to form a molecule, that can be explained by the octet rule. Okay. Now let us continue. There are two other elements, that is hydrogen and lithium. Hydrogen atomic number 1, Z is equal to 1, and lithium, that is Z is equal to 3. So these two elements does not obey the octet rule. These two elements does not obey the octet rule, because they contain only two electron in their outermost shell. They contain only two electron in their outermost shell, and that is called as duplet. Duplet. That is called as duplet. Okay, so there are two elements which does not obey the octet rules, hydrogen and lithium. They contain only two electron in their valence shell, like the helium atomic number 2, electronic configuration 1s2, 1s2. That is finished. So they are similar to helium. Their valence shell is similar to somewhat helium, that is He. Okay, now let us continue with the ionic bond. Ionic bond. Ionic bond. Here we'll see the example of formation of NaCl, that is sodium chloride. Now, for explaining the formation of sodium chloride, we should know the atomic number of the sodium and chlorine, electronic configuration of sodium and chlorine. So electronic configuration, first of all we'll write the electronic configuration of sodium and chlorine. So Na, sodium, atomic number Z is equal to 11. Okay, 1s2, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s, 1, 3s, 1. Okay, outermost electron entering into S. Okay, so this is S block element. Okay, that is different story. Cl, Z is equal to 17. Okay, halogen family, group 17 element है. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, 3p5. Number of electrons are 17. 2 plus 2 4, 6 plus 6 10, plus 2 12, and plus 5 17. Okay, here it is same here also. Sodium Z is equal to 11. 2 plus 2 4, plus 6 10, plus 1 is 11. Now how to write this electronic configuration, you know that. Okay, so I can write this as 2 8 1. Okay, so in case of sodium. In case of chlorine, I can write this like 2 8 7, 8 plus 2 10, plus 1 11, 8 plus 2 10, plus 7 17. Okay, so if this sodium loses one electron, it will complete its octet. Okay, sodium is electropositive element. It is present in the group first element. Okay, and this chlorine is group 17 element. Group 17 element, halogen family. It contains only 7 electron. It requires one more electron to complete its octet. So this one electron from the sodium can be donated to the chlorine. After donation of one electron to the chlorine, sodium will complete its octet. It will become 2 8. Okay, and this chlorine will become 2 8 8. Its octet will also be completed. So in this way, both the atom will complete their octet. One of the electron from the sodium is shifted towards the chlorine to form a bond, to form a ionic bond. So ionic bond, they will form ionic bond. So during formation of this type of bond, there is formation of ions due to loss or gain of electrons. Due to loss or gain of electrons. Now I will write this like this. Sodium. This sodium is forming Na plus ion plus 1 electron, means this sodium is losing 1 electron, so it will gain 1 plus charge. Now this chlorine atom is gaining 1 electron. Okay, so it will form Cl minus ion. Okay, now I will write like this. If I have to write Lewis dot structure, so valence electron in case of sodium is only 1. It is only 1, so I will write Na and 1 valence electron, plus Cl, the valence electron in case of chlorine is 7, so I will write all the 7 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this one is 7. Now these are the atoms, it has no charge. Now after losing or gaining electron, it will form ions. So sodium will become sodium plus ion and chlorine will become chlorine plus ion. Okay, now here the electronic configuration of sodium is 2 8 1. Here electronic configuration of chlorine is 2 8 7. Okay, now this sodium is losing one electron, or it is donating its one electron to the chlorine atom. So after donation of one electron, the electronic configuration of this sodium will become 2 8 only. So it will form sodium Na, that is Na plus ion. So electronic configuration of sodium is now 2 8, plus it will form Cl minus ion. Now Cl has gained 1 electron. Previously it has 7 electron in its outermost shell. Now it has 1 electron which came from the one extra electron which came from the sodium. So it will be having 8 electrons. So I will write like this 2 8 8. Now the octet of both the atoms are complete. Okay, both has complete octet. Now both are stable. So they has forms NaCl, sodium chloride. They has form a compound that is called as sodium chloride. Okay, you can write it like this: Na plus plus Cl minus gives NaCl, Na plus plus Cl minus gives NaCl, or you can show the charges here. Okay, so it will be sodium chloride, formation of sodium chloride. Now second case, formation of calcium chloride, formation of calcium chloride. Now first of all we should know the formula of calcium chloride. What is the formula of calcium chloride? Okay, so CaCl2, formation of calcium chloride, CaCl2. So there are two atoms, first one is calcium and second is chlorine. Two chlorine atoms are there. So there are two type of atoms which are involved in the formation of calcium chloride, calcium and chlorine. So we should know the electronic configuration of calcium and chlorine. So first of all we should know the atomic number of calcium and chlorine. Calcium Z is equal to 20. Okay, and chlorine we have seen earlier, Z is equal to 17. So write the electronic configuration of calcium: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 4s2. Okay, now count the total number of electrons: 2 plus 2 6, 2 plus 2 4, plus 6 10, plus 2 12, this 18, plus 2 20, that is 20. Okay, now write the electron configuration of this chlorine: 1s2. This part will be similar. Okay, this part will be similar: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p5. Total number of electrons are now 17. 2 plus 2 4, plus 6 10, plus 2 12, plus 5 17. So I can write it like this: 2 8 2 8 8 2 8 2, or here I can write like this: 2 8 7. So after losing 2 electron, this calcium will form octet, or its octet will be completed. Now these 2 electrons are now gained by each chlorine atom. So number of chlorine atom are 2. So each chlorine atom is gaining one electron. So they will form, they will complete their octet. So it will become 2 8 8 in case of first chlorine. In case of other chlorine, it will be similar, that is 2 8 8. Okay, means 2 chlorine atoms are gaining the 2 electrons from the calcium. So I will write in the similar way what I have used for the NaCl. Okay, I will write two chlorine atoms, this chlorine, and central is calcium. The valence electron in the chlorine is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Valence electron for this chlorine is also 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, the valence electron for the calcium is 2. Valence electron of calcium is 2. So, I will write here 2 electrons. Now, these 2 electrons are donated by the calcium to the chlorine, to chlorine atom. Now, after gaining each electron, each chlorine will complete its octet. Okay. So, electronic configuration I can write here like this: 2, 8, 7 for chlorine, this chlorine, 2, 8, 7 for this chlorine. Now 2, 8, 8, 2 for this calcium. Okay. Now plus, I will write here plus. Okay. Now calcium is losing 2 electron. Previously we have seen if sodium is losing 1 electron, it is gaining 1 positive charge. Here if sodium is losing 1 electron, it is getting 1 positive charge. If calcium is losing 2 electrons, it will acquire 2 plus charges. Okay, so this chlorine here, this chlorine will become Cl minus, or first of all I will write the number of electrons. This chlorine is getting 1 electron, or it is gaining 1 electron, so it will have now 8 electrons. 8 electrons plus, I will write this another chlorine. This chlorine will also have 8 electrons. Now it will become 2, 8, 8. Here also similar, 2, 8, 8. This calcium has lost 2 electrons, so it will acquire 2 plus charges, calcium plus plus. So it will become 2, 8, 8 from 2, 8, 8, 2. Means these 2 electrons are lost, or these 2 electrons are donated to 2 chlorine atoms. Okay, now it has formed calcium chloride. It has formed calcium chloride. Now I can write this reaction in other way: Cl minus plus calcium 2 plus plus Cl minus forms CaCl2, that is calcium chloride. It has formed calcium chloride. So this was the formation of calcium chloride. Okay, now let us see this part once again. Take a quick revision. Octet rule. Octet rule. Now this Kossel and Lewis gave the electronic theory of valence. This electronic theory of valence is based on the stability of noble gases. Noble gases contains 8 electron in their outermost shell, that is NH2NP6. Now the statement of this octet rule is: atom during formation of chemical bond loses, gains, or shares the electrons to form or to complete 8 electrons in their valence shell. Okay, now after formation of chemical bond, each atom will acquire the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. It will acquire the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Now the uses of octet rules are: for identifying or for studying the normal valence of elements. Octet rules are used for studying the normal valence of elements. Second, for study of chemical combination of atoms leading to the formation of molecules. Now there are two atoms which does not obey the octet rule. They contains only 2 electron in their valence shell. Okay, they, in that 2 electrons are called as duplet. It is called as duplet. Now these elements hydrogen and lithium has the electronic configuration similar to helium, that is first noble gas, helium. Okay, now ionic bond. What is the ionic bond? Formation of sodium chloride, NaCl. Formation of sodium chloride, that is NaCl. Now for explaining the formation of NaCl, we should know the atomic numbers of sodium and chlorine. We should note the chemical formula of the sodium chloride. Okay, molecular formula of sodium chloride. So atomic number of sodium is 11, electronic configuration of sodium will be 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1, or I can write it like 2 comma 8 comma 1. Now chlorine, atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p5. Okay, I can write it 2 comma 8 comma 7. Now you can see that the outermost shell of sodium have 1 electron, and outermost shell of this chlorine has 7 electrons. Now this sodium can lose 1 electron to complete its octet. Now it will become 2 comma 8. Now this sodium can donate its 1 electron to the chlorine, so that the octet of this chlorine is completed. It will become 2 comma 8 comma 8 from the 2 comma 8 comma 7. Okay, now how this thing takes place, see. Now sodium, after losing 1 electron, will become Na plus. It will become Na plus. Now it has lost 1 electron. Okay. Now chlorine, after gaining 1 electron, will form Cl minus. So these are the ions, cations and anions. Na plus ion, Cl minus ion. Now I can write the equation in this form. Na sodium, that is sodium atom. Electronic configuration 2 comma 8 comma 1. The valence electron which is present is 1, and I have write this valence electron. Now valence electron in case of chlorine is 7. So I wrote this 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 electrons, 2 comma 8 comma 7. Now sodium is losing 1 electron, and that electron is gained by the chlorine atom to form Cl minus ion. So after losing 1 electron, Na will become Na plus. Electronic configuration will become 2 comma 8. Electronic configuration of this Cl will be 2 comma 8 comma 8. Now it has gained 1 electron from the sodium, so it will form 2 comma 8 comma 8, and that is Cl minus ion. Okay, now the valence electrons are now 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It has forms NaCl, sodium chloride. Okay, you can write this equation in other ways also. Na plus plus Cl minus forms NaCl. Okay, formation of calcium chloride, CaCl2. Formation of calcium chloride, that is CaCl2. For formation of calcium chloride, we should know the atomic numbers and electronic configuration and molecular formula of calcium chloride. So the molecular formula of calcium chloride is CaCl2. Atomic number of calcium is 20. Electronic configuration will be 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p5 4s2. I can write it like this 2 comma 8 comma 2. Now atomic number of this chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration will be 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p5 2 comma 8 comma 7. The valence electrons which are present in the chlorine are 7. It need one more electron to complete its octet. Now similarly this calcium can lose its 2 electron to complete its octet. Now it will become 2 comma 8 comma 8. So see here how the ions are formed after donating or gaining the electrons. So I have written the valence electron of this chlorine, that those are 7. Okay, so 7 electrons. Similarly here chlorine 2 comma 8 comma 7, 2 comma 8 comma 7. Now calcium 2 comma 8 comma 8 comma 2. Okay, now this chlorine is gaining 1 electron, it will become negatively charged ion. So I will write it like this. Okay, each chlorine is getting negative charge, and this calcium is losing 2 electron, therefore it will acquire 2 positive charges. Now electronic configuration of each chlorine will become 2 comma 8 comma 8, 2 comma 8 comma 8 and 2 comma 8 comma 8. Electronic configuration of this calcium will also be now 2 comma 8 comma 8. So I can write it like this: Cl minus, this Cl minus plus Ca2 plus forms calcium chloride, CaCl2. Okay, I hope you understand what I have taught you. If you have any difficulty regarding this lecture, text me or message me on the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. We'll continue this chapter in the next lecture, inshallah.